Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about Ethereum Classic, ETC. So as we get started, at some point, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor, and please be sure to smash Destroy Annihilate or gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. So just recently, we saw Ethereum Classic fall below the 618 Fibonacci level. Now, it was consolidating a bit within a trend, which it also fell through that as well. Now, we did end up falling within more of a bearish pattern. In my opinion, we were seeing some positive price movements with Ethereum Classic there for a while. But after the Ethereum merge did happen, we did see things become a bit more bearish with it. And this is also just something that's going on with the entire crypto market. Of course, a lot of people are just waiting to find out what the consumer price index is going to say, and all the fears of inflation and the interest rate hike and stuff like that is what's really affecting the market at this moment. So what we need to look at right now is just look at the different waves that we are currently within. So as we can say that we saw that Ethereum Classic went up within a 5 wave. Where are we at right now within this current pattern? Are we moving down within a 5 wave, or is this going to be a 3 wave move? That's what we need to figure out right now, and this could give us a better understanding about where the price might be going. Now, the bad thing with how things are currently looking, though, with Ethereum Classic is we can look at this and see that there are 3 waves. If we look at how things had gone when it was moving to the upside, well, then from that point, we can easily find 5 waves within that and know that that pattern, it was complete with looking at wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then went up on a wave 5. So from this point, we don't have enough wave movements with any lower highs and even lower lows within this. So as we're falling down, we're looking at this as more of something like this within an ABC at the moment, because where we're at right now, this would be our C wave. But if this is going to be a 5 wave impulse, then we're going to have to look at this as something else, because we're going to take a new low point here and then have to see how this can work out within 5 waves. But we don't have confirmation that we're going to be moving within a 5 wave right now. So all we can say is that we have a 3-way move at the moment, and we're waiting on some information to come out that could be positive. So this could be a corrective wave series that we're in right now, and then we can have a new set of waves that will have that uptrend pattern. And then if that was to be the case, then instead you would look at a much larger move like this as being something that would go, okay, well, this was wave A, this was wave B, and then that wave C is going to be that next wave. And that would actually be part of a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 system playing out that way, if that makes sense. If we were to look at it as like a large 5 wave impulse to the upside and then go back to retracing all this. So the next moves, and especially since we are within a falling wedge type pattern here, at some point there is going to be a breakout to the upside. But before we get that, there could still be 2 more waves to go. So if this was going to not be a corrective wave within a wave 2 before that wave 3 kicks out, instead, if this was to be a 5 wave impulse to the downside, then our wave 1, our wave 2, our wave 3 will go up on a wave 4, and then we'll come down in a wave 5. That would be the next scenario. So even if we were to see some price movements to the upside, that can just be part of a wave 4 leading into a wave 5 that would be next with more to fall. But if this is just a corrective wave from a wave 2 impulse, saying wave 1, wave 2, then that wave 3 would be that one that will send us up and start retracing a lot of the price with Ethereum Classic. So this is the uncertainty that we're currently in, and we're not going to have any sort of confirmation really until we start seeing the price of Ethereum Classic start pumping up to much higher levels. So for anybody watching this and going, well, there's 2 different theories here. There's the price going up and going down. That's exactly what you should be taking away here. Is I'm in a position where I'm looking at Ethereum Classic and going, there's too much uncertainty if it's going to go up in a wave 4 and come down on a wave 5. and there's not enough price movements to the upside to say, hey, we're in this much larger impulse here, and this is a simple ABC corrective wave or a wave 2 that we are coming down in to go up in a wave 3. That's the position that Ethereum Classic is in right now, and this is that cautious price point for me right now because I don't want to accumulate more with the possibility of there being a much lower price point to buy into. That fifth wave that would come down. If we were to go up in a wave 4, come down in that wave 5, well, then that wave 5 would be accumulation because then that next wave to the upside would be there. We would know that at that point. But since we don't know that, then it's just too much uncertainty, and that's the caution that we need to worry about. So I'm not doing anything at this moment until I have that confirmation of this being a wave 3 of the larger impulse, or that we have a wave 5 on the way. So with that being said, I hope you got some use out of this. This is all just my own opinions. I give my own strategies on what I'm thinking here. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing. As always, give it a like if you guys did enjoy. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.